Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about shift left command in shift rotate section Siemens PLC S7-300. In previous video, we discussed about shift right command in Siemens PLC S7-300, and now we will discuss about this shift left command. Same program we will be use, just small changes we will make, and I will share with you how we can make changes in the program. This old program which in previous video already we discuss, and now just we have to be changes. What changes made in this program? This just two commands, same program this we used, but only just we will be changes made here in the main program. This if we give the signal at I0.3, so we will use this one shift right command, and if we will give the signal at I0.4, so we can use this shift left command. So in previous video we used this shift left command, and now shift right command, and now we will use this one shift left command. What changes? We just give this signal I0.4, and this signal we will not give, so this command will be removed and this command will be work. And so in next what we will be change, in previous video we use just only from up to down, means right to left we use the numbering, but in this program we used for this left command just this last this comparison value of the 7 digit. This we will be use 1 2, after 3, after 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So first we will use from up to down, and now we will use down from up. So this program we will be download to the PLC. Already it's checked. I just only like to show you how we can make the changes in this program. Now you can see I am using this shift right command, right? Okay, and this in previous video we used this one left command. Now this command will be work. So now you can see as per this one, first our all bits are working from up to down. Now this all bits are working from down to up, right? This you can see, these bits are now from down to up going. Slowly I will be scroll. Maybe if some person not see this previous video, he can understand about this also, this program. It's very simple and easy method. You can design in the schematic manager. First of all, you have to be choose one counter. Yet this counter you can be think about just only this is the signal coming from the this M1.6 is the signal coming from the field. This signal can be a sensor. One motor for example is running at the conveyor, and there is some sensor which is indicating the bags or bottles. One signal coming, after this value will be increased, same as this one. And after this, when you're using shift right or left, this command you can design it here. After this command you can make the comparison. This value when coming, that's you can comparison make in this section, means any bit execution for you can make M6.0, M10.0, which is depends on your choice. Yani. And after you can design this one when in comparison command, when means this one MD10 is equal with 8 or 5, which you design it here, same at serial wise, and how much bits you like to be make it on off, that's you can design in the comparison section. And after this in next network you can design your bits which you like to be make on off. This is your outputs in the hardware. This is internal memory M10.0 start from, and M10.7. Also you can increase this more after if you using that one data registers. Here I will show you this one. This is word, this is double word. Okay, this is also same. You can use this double word data. Double word data when you use, you can increase this also bits. So hope guys you will be understand about this one, how we can use left command in Siemens PLC S7-300. If not anything you understand, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Same this procedure you can see also in with the HMI in previous video. If you not see this one previous video, must be see the previous video. After you will be understand how we can this data take at the HMI. After you can monitor and display at the HMI. So hope guys this video will be helpful. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.